How to uninstall multiple apps at once on your mobile phone devices. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just delete multiple apps on your mobile phone devices at once. So without further ado, let's get into it. First of all, you're going to do is open up the Play Store on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, once the Play Store has been opened, this kind of a screen would appear. In that, you have tap on the right upper hand on the icon in which your profile picture is being shown. Open up that page. A new dialog box will appear soon. In that, you're going to go and look for manage apps and devices, which would be most probably the number one option. After tapping on it, a new page has appeared in which you're going to tap or click on the second option of manage that is just beside the overview one. When you're going to tap on it, a series of lists has been appeared in which there are numerous applications installed on these devices. For example, I have 121 and now I want to just uninstall multiple apps or applications from this. So what I'm going to do is just check in the apps or number of applications. For example, I'm going to do it. I've selected these multiple applications to delete. Now what I'm going to do is tap on the delete. Now what I'm going to do is tap on the trash icon which is located just right above corner. So once I do that, a new dialog box has appeared stating 5 apps will be deleted from your device system. Apps remain on your device but any updates would be uninstalled. And when I'll tap on uninstall, these applications would be uninstalled. So this is how you do it. This is how you simultaneously delete multiple apps at once on your mobile devices. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Peace out.